Welcome to the Lion English Academy Word of the Day. Lion English Academy is your source for fun English lessons, test preparation, and a global language learning community. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for new lessons every day. Today's word is admire. Admire is a verb that means to regard an object, quality, or person with respect or warm approval. Here are a few example sentences using the word admire. I really admire her. We can't think of anyone that we admire more. Those are qualities that we admire. They really admire the way that you handled the situation. Synonyms for admire include applaud, praise, commend. Start using admire in your conversations. If you'd like help learning English, visit our website, lionenglishacademy.com. Thanks for joining the Lion English Academy Word of the Day. Come back tomorrow for another Word of the Day.